If you're just a girl's girl, ciao Dumelang and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Itereleng and welcome to the Dolls family. If you're a returning subscriber, my dolly dolls, my notification gang, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for coming back. Gemotu, because of Lena, I am who I am because of you. So guys, I really had a rough week. Flu got me down bad, so I just recovered yesterday and I'm opening this vlog today, Saturday. So obviously you know that this vlog is going to be short because the week is almost over. I'm showing up because we are trying to be consistent this side, so even if it's small progress, as long as it's progress, count me in. So I'm expecting a client. She's coming for lash extensions and hair installation. So she's coming for individual lashes and hair installation. She says she has a curly hair. I'll show you guys the pictures after. I just got a message now. She says she's 4 minutes away. So I just wanted to open this vlog, this short vlog. We are going to make Saturday and Sunday count, okay? Plans for today is the client. That's what you do. Today's client, tomorrow we're going to church and we're going to cook. Sunday goes together. If I have time, if I feel good, I'll do a mini updated makeup tutorial with affordable products you can find at any drugstore. Drugstore, I'm talking your Clicks, your Discount, Edgar's Beauty, Woolworth's Beauty. They're affordable products, guys. And also show you tricks that I use now that we are into the new season of spring, warmer weathers. So it means your makeup routine needs to change to accommodate the new season. So outfit of the day, I'm wearing this dress. This is actually a vacation dress. Like, it's a vacation dress, guys. But because I already vacation, also there's a new trick I'm so excited to try on my client for hair extension. I see a lot of UK girls doing their installation like this and I cannot wait to show you guys the results. I think I'm going to go Insta live on TikTok for this hair installation, or maybe record a full tutorial. No, not a tutorial. I don't remember the last time I went live, so I'll just go live. Also, the plans I have is that I want to dye my hair blonde. So if I get time today, we are going to the shops to get blonde dye and change my hair. Also because I want when my hair grows up now, even so, I want my afro to be ombre like this. Also, another thing, guys, Shein discontinued minoxidil. I don't know what's gonna happen. So does that mean that I'll have to buy the expensive minoxidil that needs a prescription apparently from Clicks? Like, I was shocked. And the one on Clicks is very expensive. It's around 500. And Yago Shein was 80 rands. Now I'm sure Shein vampulating. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. And if you're a new viewer, hoping that you will enjoy this vlog and subscribe and join the Dolls family. I really promise you will love this vlog because I bring it as authentic as it comes. So if you're looking for authenticity, self-development, if you want motivation for your relationship with God to grow, if you're just a girl's girl, you are definitely in the right place. So let's get started. I already prepped for my organize the for hair installation. I also put some on the floor and then I put some on the table. Here I have my lash extension prayer. Everything is really like when my client gets here, we just get straight to business. So let's get started. Hello dolls, welcome to another day of my vlog. Today's Sunday. I didn't go to church, but I actually cooked, and unfortunately I didn't record any of that. I'm going out. It's my friend's birthday today, guys. We are celebrating the third level. She's turning 30, and yeah, I'm going out. You are coming with me. I'm actually waiting for my Uber. I thought maybe I should just come and say hi and show you guys my pretty face. Let me show you outfit of the day. I'm wearing this short shirt, crop top, whatever they call it. I got it from China, whatever. No, I got it from Yellow Sub, sorry. And then jeans, I think it's for Shein or Truworths, I'm not sure. And then belt and bag are from Shein. I'm wearing sneakers. This is how I look, playful because we're going out as a day vibe. And yeah, let's go and have fun and celebrate my friend's birthday. Who's tagging? Hello, my cow. We're here, guys. What's up, Patel? Thanks for welcome, Patel, but we're here. My friend is only up. I'm happy to see her. I'm happy to see them. This is my face in the sun, guys.
Throwing dirt on my old name only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side.
Make you crazy.
Does that make you crazy?
Does that make you crazy?
Possibly.
Just like
Thank you very much. And there was no coincidence.
My friend what did you quiet?
what do you mean?
No, I'm not.
Arriba kwa diabetes. Kamu kita mokai, una nice song. Daki para. Apa lagi? Eh, apa lagi? Ah.